a precise and regulated way, plants can turn light, water, and a gas, carbon dioxide, into the energy and food for living matter. Energy that provides food for all living things. This process of conversion is called photosynthesis. Let us look even more closely at a leaf by peeling away a piece of its lower epidermis and examining it under a microscope. The underside of a leaf is perforated with tiny holes called stomata, which are 1/1000th of a millimeter wide. Inside, there is a constant stream of structures called chloroplasts. Chloroplasts do the work of photosynthesis. They're green because they contain the light-absorbing pigment called chlorophyll. This is the green machine of the whole process. Chloroplasts convert solar energy into chemical energy. Of all living things on this planet, plants are the most prevalent of life forms. Plants are capable of fixing light energy of the sun into chemical energy. The leaves of plants are actually well-organized factories in which photosynthesis takes place. Explained simply, leaves absorb the energy emitted by sunlight to power photochemical reactions.
Sunlight is a mixture of several different kinds of light. Most familiar is the visible light, the kind of light we see and see by. Visible white light has also been put under control by science. A remarkable new device splits light into separate narrow rays so that the path of a beam can easily be followed.
The system converts extremely weak light into electronic signals, which are then amplified and stored as spatial signals.
The inside of the chloroplast, here magnified 40,000 times, is shown to be made up of a series of membranes arranged in tiers, containing thousands of molecules of chlorophyll and other photosynthetic pigments. When a light is shined onto the leaf, the difference in density in the negative will let varying amounts of light through to the leaf surface. The actual process of photosynthesis was long looked upon as a mystery or black box. What happens to light energy when it enters this box?
And in the laboratories of today, science is working on the light of tomorrow, seeking still more numerous ways of using it to make life for all of us better and safer. Who knows what miracles are yet to come from the amazing development of visible and invisible light when the magic light of tomorrow comes into its own.
widely spread leaves. There are many ways for the leaves to be joined to the trunk. An explosion pattern. A double explosion pattern. Bilateral symmetry.